marked an unforgettable chapter in automotive history, redefining what affordable performance could look and feel like. Even decades later, the 240Z continues to captivate car enthusiasts, collectors, and restoration experts worldwide. With its timeless design, raw driving experience, and unmatched value for money, this machine has truly earned its legendary status in the automotive world. The 1975 Datsun Z240 came during a period when Japanese automakers were starting to dominate the global car scene, and Nissan, then known as Datsun, was determined to prove it could compete with European sports cars like the Jaguar E-Type and the Porsche 911. The result was a sleek, aerodynamic coupe that delivered both performance and reliability at a fraction of the cost. Under the hood, the Z240 packed a 2.4-liter inline-six engine that produced around 151 horsepower and 146 pound-feet of torque. It may not sound like much by today's standards, but in its time, it was more than enough to offer a thrilling, balanced driving experience. The beauty of the 1975 Datsun 240Z wasn't just in its engine, it was in its overall engineering. We're talking about a near-perfect weight distribution, responsive rack and pinion steering, and a lightweight chassis that made every turn feel natural and exciting. Enthusiasts often praise the car for its mechanical simplicity, which made it easy to tune, modify, and maintain. The manual transmission, paired with rear-wheel drive, offered pure, unfiltered driving joy, something modern cars rarely replicate due to electronic assistance and automatic gearboxes. In terms of design, the Z240 remains one of the most beautiful sports cars ever built. Its long nose, sloping fastback roofline, and wide stance gave it a muscular yet graceful appearance. Inspired by European Grand Tours but refined with Japanese precision, it was a car that looked fast even when parked. The 1975 model year introduced subtle design tweaks, including updated bumpers and minor interior refinements to comply with new U.S. regulations. Despite these changes, the soul of the original 240Z remained untouched, pure, bold, and timeless. Over the years, the 1975 Datsun Z240 has become a collector's dream. Restoration projects have exploded in popularity, with enthusiasts across the globe hunting for original parts and chassis to bring these classics back to life. Auction prices for well-preserved or fully restored Z240s have seen a steady rise, with some pristine examples fetching upwards of $70,000 or more. Nissan themselves even acknowledged the car's cultural impact, launching the modern Z series to carry on its legacy, though many still believe the original remains unmatched in purity and charm. Recent updates in the collector community highlight a growing appreciation for factory-spec models. Original paint, matching numbers, and unmodified interiors now command premium prices. Meanwhile, modified Z240s with modern engines or suspension upgrades continue to attract younger fans who want the classic look but with contemporary performance. This mix of preservation and personalization shows just how versatile and beloved the 240Z truly is. Even today, the Datsun 240Z community is thriving. From car shows to online restoration forums, owners and fans share a deep passion for keeping this icon alive. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of an era when driving was pure, honest, and thrilling. Whether it's the nostalgic growl of the inline-six or the satisfaction of a perfectly executed gear shift, the Z240 reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. The 1975 Datsun Z240 isn't just a piece of automotive history, it's a living legend that continues to inspire generations of car lovers. Its design, engineering, and spirit represent the golden age of motoring, a time when performance was about feel, not just numbers. So if you ever come across one of these beauties, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and vision that made it possible. The Z240 wasn't built to just drive, it was built to move your soul.